Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aragundi. I'm going to tell you, how do you react to failure? Well, failure is not succeeding. Failure is losing, right? So I'm asking you to do something. It's a little cliche, but I'm going to do it a little differently. Close your eyes. Now, you're not going to imagine anything. You're going to feel something. Listen to these words very carefully. You're a failure. You're not worth anything. You will never succeed. Even if you try something else, you will lose. You can't do anything right. You're good for nothing. You try, and you try, but you fail. Failure. Open your eyes. How does that make you feel?
Pissing me off.
Like a failure, right? Makes you feel like a failure. There are two ways, actually there are many ways to react to failure. The two most common ones are to treat yourself like a failure and to try harder. Now, why do you treat yourself like a failure? Why must you beat yourself down? You already have the stigma of the original failure, right? Bashing on yourself, it's like getting in the ring with Mike Tyson twice. 2 rounds. One, it's original failure. And the second one, you just went in, bashing yourself. Again. For what reason? What does that serve? Doesn't give you a hallucination? Doesn't give you a halcyon state of mind. It gives you quite the opposite. There's some reasons why people do this. To distract themselves from the failure. Denial. To distract themselves from the hard work that lies ahead. And because it's easier to give up than to try harder. But that is not the way you need to react to failure. That's a big no. What you need to do, you need to try harder. Try again. You've all heard those big names, Bill Gates, Steve Jobs, Lady Gaga, singers, dancers, soccer players, football players. In your eyes, they're all successful. But if you think for one moment that they just got the success, just like that, we all know you're wrong. Success does not come right away. Success comes with failure. And bashing yourself doesn't help. A negative and a negative does not make a positive. That's only in math. Only in math. But here, a negative and a negative, it makes a bigger negative. It does not aid you. It does not help you. It hurts you. So what you need to do is you need to use that failure as a stepping stone, as a way to improve, get better, try something else, try harder. Because when you fail, you don't know how close you were to success. You don't know if you were this far away or this far away. And you bashing yourself. I can't do this. I'm not good for anything. I will never be able to accomplish this. It gets bigger. But the second you say, I'm going to try harder, I can do this. Here we go one more time. This is going to be it. And there's success in the grasp of your hand. So, when you ask the question, how do you react to failure? You shouldn't bash yourself. You shouldn't get in the ring with Mike Tyson twice. Just get in once, just for fun. And then do it again, and again, and again, until you knock out Mike Tyson, and you succeed. I'm going to leave you with a quote of mine. failure plus a failure plus a failure times an infinite amount of failures will only bring you success. But a failure, and you stop trying, it won't take you anywhere. So you need to remember, when you react to failure, try again and again and again. Thank you.